start creating new things. Those new things when are created, it's created from the regions when elections is there. Because the artist already has trusted those ones who are what? Who are on leadership here. Only that what would be done, you would say that on the members who are leaders. Can maybe we choose two people or three? We add on them. Okay. So when facilitation is coming, all of them are what? Witness there. You understand?
Thank you.
Yeah, you can. I think that is on.
We're still moving the same direction. Yes. Lastly, this is my humble opinion. It's an idea. If you support it, yeah. I don't like this thing of when it is campaign time, you have to run from north, West Nile, Karamoja, we again run up to Kampala. We don't need to come up to Kampala again. I was just requesting that if it is possible, the office of the President Kenzo and team, they should allow us get whatever we want in terms of facilitation through the people we have entrusted.
Okay.
A moment. We don't have to be running from Kitgum up to Kampala before we can get facilitation of 300,000. Try to consider the transport you are using. So some of us will be driving. You put fuel from Gulu to Kampala and going back, and then you find even the money you get from here is not enough. You understand? Why can't the big office now delegate? There should be a budget that we don't run up to Kampala to follow. There should be a budget that if His Excellency is now going to northern Uganda, we know where to run to and pick our facilitation and run to the field. That is what I think it is my suggestion. Yes.
Thank you so much, Mr. Presidential Advisor and our Papa, Honorable Boss Speaker team. First of all, I would like us to appreciate the fact that His Excellency Eddie Kenzo is a very good listener, because we are about to enjoy what we are about to enjoy, because when we came and cried to him, he heard us as leaders from the regions, because we told him clearly we have not benefited from the previous elections. We have been overshot in our areas. People come and collect money that should have been for the creatives in those regions when these campaign seasons come. So we told him, one, we need only our creatives in those regions to handle their areas, because they are the superstars of those regions. So I'm very happy today that he heard us, and that is coming to light. Just on what Papa said, like Blackwood said, there are already structures that are in place, and it is not right for the people in those regions when these campaigns are happening to expect their payment again from somebody else, from somebody else in the central here. So I consent with this idea through you, our coordinator, that we need to push this again. That the payments, though it might come through the federation, but they should be allocated straight to the structures with the leaders that you said earlier that they will that already existing on ground, and those ones that they will add on them to monitor the monetary process and the distribution. So I think it's very important. We should not allow our money again to cross through other third parties to come to us. It should be a direct route from wherever it's coming from to the offices and to us.
Yes.
Thank you.
Yeah, maybe.
Thank you very much, everyone. By the names, I'm Mr. D musically. The other name biologically, I'm Odora Dennis. I come from Lango sub-region. I want to thank God first of all for this wonderful time that we've got to meet as northern people as far as our industry is concerned. My request, first of all, I appreciate the hard work of the Federation, but however, it doesn't stop me from also pointing out some few challenges which affect us to the extent I may not even blame some of the people, some of our brothers who could have run away from this direction to the other direction. They know the reasons, but still, with time also they will come back. But also, I would also request that if Federation could at least allow to start implementing each and every points they bring. Here meaning, like if there is money which is supposed to, we are supposed to be operate like you say, let us operate from our region.
Yes.
We would not even be stuck here. Like I may not say stuck, but because of course we had certain things to discuss. But some of the things we were supposed to even solve it from our home. By the time we are coming here, we know each and everything is sorted. Decentralization is one of the most important things if we want to also grow from our own regions. Meaning, in these offices that have opened, I am requesting the government, the federation, to make sure the work starts immediately in those offices. If there is means of funding us, let it be done. We are tired of this song, this kind of singing. People are saying we are going to give them money. At the end of the day, someone comes and gives the money. Like some people say, God, your can call you your loud or move on. Some can take care of your help you very fast. I'm giving just an example. So let us start implementing everything we talk, because it is the one that is delaying us.
It's okay.
Yeah, thank you.
Ray, MC.
Good evening, members. Yes. How are you? Now, I want to get back a little bit to what the was speaking about district managing the campaigns. Then I want to concur with what Brother Moon was saying and what was suggested. We already, the federation has its leadership. The leadership that is managing the affairs of this association. When it comes now to the campaign, and you break it down to the district, the leadership now will help us to constitute what Bosniak was trying to say. We choose some other people. They will identify people in the district like a committee, because these leaders are not going to run from one district to another. So you constitute the committees in those districts to manage the affairs. But as leadership remains as the overseer of everything. So I think we already have the leadership and have a plan that constitute the committees that will work toward this campaign. That's why you are going to have now, maybe in the district, for example, there will be a chairperson steering that committee campaign. And then we'll have people handling the finance and so on. So that's what I wanted to say.